Welcome to the next episode of Steve-O Crypto. I am Steve-O and I love crypto. So today I wanted to go over with you guys wallets. I mentioned mining before and I keep wanting to get to that video, but before I do that, I wanted to really kind of touch on wallets. We went over Coinbase and Coinbase, Robinhood, and a lot of these other guys actually have their own wallets that you make your transactions through. So you don't actually own the wallet, but you can own your own wallet and you can make trades with your own wallet. And typically you can do this a lot cheaper than you can through Coinbase or some of these other guys. So I wanted to touch on these different wallets because, if you're making these smaller transactions, that can make or break your profits. If you are just dealing with a small amount of money, $100, $200, and you're trying to trade semi regularly, try to pick up 20% on $100 deal, so you're trying to get $20 on this. Well, Coinbase and some of these other guys are going to take all of that $20 right up on their transaction fees. So this is going to be your next step to get one of these wallets. And you have your hardware based wallets. It's going to be your Ledger, your Nano X. It's going to be your newer hardware wallet, and you can basically just plug these things up and have direct access to your wallet. This kind of helps with the security of your keys of your wallet. So then you have other options as well. So you can actually get your wallet up on your phone, whether you're using iOS or you're using Android. Or you just wanted to have a desktop wallet. So there's some different options for you to have your own wallet, and I definitely recommend getting one of these wallets. So today I was just going to kind of go over a wallet that I'm starting. It's going to be a trust wallet, and this is going to be available for Apple. It's going to be available for Android. And I'm just going to download it here on a little Android emulator to show you guys how quickly and easily you can set this up. So I went ahead and clicked accept. I clicked OK. It put me to another screen, which at that point it gave me a list of 12 keywords in a specific order. At that point I wrote those down, clicked OK, went to the next screen, and it had those same keywords, and I just basically listed them out in that specific order. You're going to want to do the same thing. You're going to want to write those keywords down, keep them in a safe place if you're not using one of the hardware ledgers like the Nano that I showed you guys. So if you are using the Nano Ledger, it stores all those keywords for you, so you don't have to worry about all that. And you can quickly, like I said, you just plug and play and have access to your wallet just from plugging it in. So those things are pretty cool. I wouldn't mind having one. I haven't actually messed with one myself, but yeah, you do have other options. So you got your phone set up with Trust Wallet now. If you've gone through that and moved your keywords around again, you want to keep those keywords to yourself. So because if someone has access to your keywords, they can get access to your wallet, which you do not want. If you come down here in the DApp section, you can see that there is a list of exchanges you can quickly add. So you got Sushi Swap, Pancake Swap. You can quickly add to your wallet and have access to additional cryptocurrencies. So once you've funded and purchased your cryptocurrencies, you can also quickly swap them. So if you have some Ethereum and you want to swap it for some SKL or whatever it may be, you can quickly swap these, and typically for a cheaper a cheaper price than you would on your Coinbase or Robinhood or some of your big exchanges like that. And again, I'm not trying to bash those guys. If you are on a longer term trade, if you're a longer term trader and you're just kind of putting some money in here and there and whatnot, Coinbase, Robinhood, these can be really great for you. So I still have a Coinbase account. I still have a Robinhood account. So, but if you do want to trade regularly, typically the wallet is going to be your better route using your own wallet. So I just kind of want to show you guys the Trust wallet. I'll leave some links below for the other wallets for iOS, for Android. If you want to look at some of these other ones, there's a whole lot, guys, to choose from. And then you have your desktop wallets as well. So Wasabi. I'm connected with Wasabi, and I connect that through my crypto watch. So that's another thing. If you want a desktop, I showed you guys crypto watch on the technical analysis video, and I'll post that below as well. So check those out if you're interested. Definitely look into getting your own wallet. They are good to have, and you can do, like I said, you can do a lot of trades with them, and you can typically have access to more currencies than you would. So real quick, in order to fund your wallet, I do need to mention, whenever you go to fund your wallet, you'll need to go through a third party. So, you'll go to buy something, whatever it may be, and then you have some different third party options down here. So you got Simplex, you have MoonPay down here, and you can choose one of these third parties to go through. And whenever you go through one of these third parties, they will need to verify you are who you say you are in order to avoid money laundering. And, they need to make sure that you are who you say you are. So, if someone were to have your card or something like that, they're not making these transactions on your behalf. So that being said, when they do verify who you are, they will need identification. So you'll take a picture of your ID front and back. You'll need to make sure that it's the full card. You're not cutting off the edges of the card in your picture, and you need to make sure it's clear so that they can read it and they can see who you are. And some of these will actually make you take a picture of yourself holding your ID as well. So depending on the different exchanges and stuff like that you get set up through. But once you get set up through these exchanges, again, you can quickly add them and connect them to your wallet, and quickly start making transactions with cryptocurrency, trading cryptocurrency for other cryptocurrency, etc. So if you're interested, definitely check these wallets out. I'll leave the links below. I appreciate you guys watching. If you did please like below. Please subscribe. Help me out. I would appreciate it. I got a lot more content coming and a lot more information for more advanced traders. I'm kind of going over the basics for friends of mine to kind of help them out. But I'll start getting into some technical analysis, and I'll probably start doing some live videos as well here soon. So I appreciate you guys watching. Thanks, and I'll see you on the next video.